students, Imran Sabri is back again with an interesting and fascinating video. There is finite verb and infinite verb, and this is very important concept in English grammar. So before starting this video, I want to ask some question. What is the importance of finite and infinite verbs in English grammar? Why we have to learn this concept, and why it is very important for our students to clear. Many students have confusions. They can't differentiate between finite and infinite verb. So in this video, we study about finite and infinite verb with the help of some examples. So let's start. Finite verb, next we have infinite verb. Those verbs which change by changing a tense, persons or number. Okay, those verbs which change if we change person, tense or a number. This is just definitions, but we have to clear this definition with the help of some examples. So example is very important. So let's focus here. He reads book. They read book. We are writing a novel. She is writing a novel. I was writing a novel. We have to identify the finite verb here. He reads book. We have only one verb here, that is read. Next sentence, they read book. We have also one verb here, read. And we have here, we are writing. Are here, she. We have this verb here. So we have to identify, we have to recognize the finite verb here. So what is our finite verb? He reads a book. They read a book. Let's see here. We change the person here. It's become read. Here it was reads, but when you changed, it become read. This verb has changed. So this such type of verb is called finite verb. Next sentence we have, we are writing a novel. Okay, she is writing a novel. I was writing a novel. See here, we are writing a novel. After that, I change the subject. Okay, I change the subject which is singular. So the I changed. Here R is changed and it is changed into is. This is because, okay, we change the person here. This is singular. This is what? Singular. And this verb become is here. Okay, so therefore we say that those verbs which change by changing a tense, person is called finite verb.
Do we have any example for tense change in these examples?
Yes, obviously. So finite verb means it is applicable for every tense. We have 12 tenses in grammar. Okay, you can find a finite verb in any tense. Here I have given the examples about present simple and present continuous, and one example about past continuous. Okay, so next we have I was writing a tense. It is changing by changing a tense. Okay, so this is past continuous. Here it was, are. In this sentence it become is, and at last it become was. Okay, so this is, here we have what? Finite verb.
So do we have any other verb in this sentence, like infinite or whatever it is?
Obviously in this sentence we have infinite verb, but we will discuss about infinite in next. Okay, so this verb is infinite verb. What? Infinite.
It is finite.
Sorry. Obviously this is finite verb because it is continuously changing. These verbs are finite verb. These are continuously changing by changing a persons and tense. Okay. So let's move on. Finite verb. Okay, it is somehow opposite of infinite verb, we may say that. So here we see those verbs which doesn't change by changing a tense, persons or number. It is called infinite verb. Okay, so let's focus on examples. Example is very important. Okay, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new videos and notifications. Examples: you should help poor. I should help poor. Let's focus on these two examples. So let's see here. You should help poor. So what is our verb here? Help him. See here. This is singular. you should help her, and this is singular plural. This is also plural. I should help her. Is help is changing here by changing a person? No. If you add she, they, we, it will never change. Okay, by changing a person tense. So such type of verb is infinite verb. Okay, and it is mostly used with after modal verb, infinite. Here should is modal verb. The infinite verb always used after a modal verb. Next we have he does not play game. They do not play hockey. The infinite verb always used after the negative sentence of present simple. Okay, let's see here. He doesn't play hockey. Is play is changing here by changing a person? No. Okay, here it is also infinite. Okay, it is also infinite verb. Similarly, it also used in the negative sentence of past perfect. For example, I ate food. I did not eat food. Did I eat food? It is not changing. Okay, but I have made a simple and short video. Okay, otherwise it can become very lengthy. So here see, at last I want to tell some uses of infinite verb. Where we use infinite verb, it is always used with modal verb, as we have seen here, as well as it also used with causative verbs. So I give an example here. I make barber cut my hair. Here this is, we have what, this is infinite verb. If you change, they make barber cut the hair, Ali and Fatima, just like that you can add, but it doesn't change. Okay, so these are some examples about infinite verb. But at last I want to share some useful information for you guys. Infinite verb has three main types. Okay, namely gerund, infinitive and participle. Okay, we can also give examples while studying gerunds, infinitive and participle. These verbs will be infinitive verbs. But on the other hand, infinite verb has not any types, just like infinite verb. So thank you very much.